To send Uber Eats to someone, start by opening the app and ensuring you're logged into your account. From the home page, select the recipient's address to view available restaurants in their area. Do this by tapping on the location pin, then entering their postal code or address in the search bar. Select the correct address from the results and provide additional details such as the house type, building name, street address, apartment number, and security key. Once you've entered this information, scroll down and tap Save and Continue. Next, browse through the available restaurants and select the one you want to order from. Choose your desired food items by tapping the plus icon next to each item. Then tap Add to Cart at the bottom of the screen. After adding all your items, tap View Cart and proceed to checkout by tapping Go to Checkout at the bottom. If prompted to add more items, you can do so or tap Not Now to continue. On the checkout screen, review your order details and confirm the address. Finally, scroll down and tap Place Order to complete the transaction. Once you've made the payment, your order will be placed and delivered to the selected address. This process allows you to easily order and send Uber Eats to a friend or family member.